It's me again, it's Len and RR. Today is a move-out day. Ngayon kami lilipat ng apartment. March 15, 2024. Pupunta sa MoneyGram para pangbayad ng deposit. Tapos kukunin namin yung susi sa apartment. Tapos maghahakot na kami ng mga gamit. See you later, guys. Ito yung village, guys, na nilipatan namin. Yan yung opisina at saka yung gym. Yan. Dito yung parking namin. Yan. Naghahakot pa kami, guys. Yan. Sila lang pala. Dito na yung susi, guys. Dito na yung susi. Yan. Tatlo, guys. Isa susi sa main door, sa bodega, tapos isa sa post box. Ito na, guys. Kita, guys. Let's go. Uy, it's open naman pala. Hindi naman pala nilock. Ayan, guys, yung swimming pool, guys. Yan, oh. Yeah, the swimming pool is there. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Uy, careful, careful. Ayan, guys, ito yung living room, guys. Ang laki, guys. Ito naman yung kusina, guys. Ito, guys, ref. Ay, hindi nabubuksan. Ano kaya yan? Ito yung ref. Ayan. Ayan yung sink. Ayan. Punta tayo dito sa guys. And dito yung bedroom ni RR, guys. Ayan. Ito yung bathroom. Tapos may shower, guys. And then yung master bedroom. Guys. Ayan, may walk-in closet. On the light. Walang light, guys. Where's the light? Ito yung bathroom ng master bedroom. Ito yung bathtub. Ayan, bathtub. Yeah, bathtub and shower here. And the toilet. Yan, the master bedroom. 2 toilet and 2 bedroom. Ito ulit yung view ng swimming pool. Dito lang sa tapat ng front namin. Ayan. Ayan si RR. Ayan sila pa ng mga gamit. Kuha pa sila ulit ng mga gamit. Ayan, mag-play muna si RR. Oh, wow. Look at the pool. Wow, I like it. Ayan, guys, oh. Andun yung post box doon, yung may babae dyan. Tapos yung laundry, andun din. Ito yung pool, guys. You like it here, RR? Yeah, I like it here too. Ang dito, guys, ang liwanag. Ang liwanag ng buhay ko dito, guys. Yeah. I like it here. Yeah. RR like it. RR very excited. Naiwan dito, guys. Andun sila, bumabalik sila doon sa kabilang bahay. Nagkukuha ng mga gamit. Yan si RR, oh. Naglalaro. Hello, RR! Say hi to them. Hi! Good morning! Ayan, guys. Tapos dito sa balcony namin, guys. Ayan, kita yung swimming pool. Andyan, guys. Ang ganda dito. Magmuni-muni, guys. Hindi klaro. Teka lang. Kami dito, guys. Bodega. Ayan. Ay, maliit lang siya. Ayan. Siya, bodega, guys. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Kita yung, ang ganda magmuni-muni dito, guys. Ayan. Maganda yung spot na nakuha namin, guys. Ang ganda dito, guys. Maluwag siya.
One eternity later.
Pang 1 week na namin. Tara, guys, maglaba tayo, guys. Doon tayo maglaba, guys. Oh. Ito ni, guys. Yan yung opisina, yung swimming pool. Tapos yung sa likod ng, yung bakod. Andyan yung washing room. Tsaka post box. Tara, guys, puntahan natin, guys. Maglaba tayo, guys. Ibababa ko to sa baba dyan, guys. 14 steps yan. Lock natin. Wala pa kaming guys, couch. Yan, dalawang upuan. Di pa kaya ng budget guys. Tara, maglaba tayo guys. Laba muna ako ha. Doon kami sa second floor. 14 steps siya. Ayan, punta tayo sa washing. Laundry room guys. Yun yung mga washing machine. Ito naman yung dryer. Tapos dito tayo bibili ng cart. Bili tayo ng load guys. Load pang washing. Oh, here. Ay, lang guys. $1. Tapos, yung washing guys, siya? $3. Yan, maglo-load tayo guys. Nakabili na ako. Done. Yan, nakabili na. Washing tayo guys. Here. Napasok tayo dito guys. Here. Pasok natin. Shoes. Ito pala yung card namin guys. Card. Laundry card. Tapos ipifill up siya para siyang load. Sabon namin. And then, card. Tapos paano ba to? Start. Ayan. 30 minutes nakalagay. Ayan. Kasi the-dryer natin mamaya. After 30 minutes. Ito naman sa labas guys. Andito yung namin, post box. Ayan, D16. Buksan natin guys. Tingnan natin yung post. See.
A few moments later.
Guys, after 1 hour, kukunin na natin yung dryer. Yung clothes sa dryer. May din pala dito guys, may gym. Open siya ng 24 hour. Ito yung gym guys. Ito yung mini gym. Ganda guys. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan. Pupunta ako dyan pag giginahan ako. Okay na yung dryer. Hindi pa tapos. Ayan pa. 1 minute pa guys. 1.50 yung bayad.
There. Stop. Yay!
Parking that one? Oh, that one.
Oh no. Remember I was looking for your card for a long time? This is my card.
Yeah.
Backwards.
Backwards.
Oh no. Oh, oh. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Ala. Uy, parking!
Parking inside.
The parking inside. Oh,
Come here. Oh.
oh.
You can end it now.
One eternity later.
Hello ulit guys. Andito kami sa sala. Nanonood ng TV si RR. Ayan. And guys, hindi pa kami nakabili ng sala set. Yan pa yung gamit namin guys. Wala pang budget guys. Makabili rin kami. Dandaan muna pagbili namin ng mga gamit kasi mahirap yung bultuhan. Kaya dahan-dahan muna. Wala muna sa budget. Yan muna yung namin. Minsan, maganda rin naman sa sahig kasi carpet. Sana guys, nagustuhan nyo ang aming vlog for today. Ayan guys, si RR guys. Babay na kay RR. Babay na. Bye-bye. Hadi bra. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Si RR. Bye. See you on our next vlog. Bye.